everybody, it's Julie. Welcome back to Row & Co Farms. Today we're in my kitchen and we're going to be making homemade mayonnaise. Of all the things that I ever learned how to make that made me really feel like I had made it as a homesteader, it was mayonnaise. When I found out how simple this stuff was to make, I started making it myself at home and I have never bought store mayonnaise again. So I'm gonna show you today how we do it. If you have your own fresh eggs from your chickens, that's what I'm gonna recommend for you today to use. So here we go. These are gonna be the ingredients that we have to have. You're gonna use a good quality oil. I like to use this organic sunflower oil, but I do recommend one that is organic and not one of those hydrogenated oils. Next, you're gonna use a little Dijon mustard, some lemon juice, some salt, and you'll also need an immersion blender. So we're gonna start off by adding 1 cup of oil into our mason jar. Next, we're gonna crack our egg into there. Egg, just like that. Now I'm going to squeeze our lemon juice in there. Use a little more. Depends on how much zip you like in your mayonnaise. Oh, I got a seed in there, so we're going to get that out really quick. Next, nice dollop of Dijon mustard and a little pinch of salt. So we'll start with that. We'll give it a whirl here and then we'll taste it. So you're gonna take your immersion blender, you're gonna put it down inside here all the way down to the bottom. You're going to press high and then you're going to slowly raise the immersion blender, and as you do that you're going to see all the contents in here start to emulsify. It's really, really interesting to watch. I'm going to bring you in closer so you can see. Okay, we're going to start it off on high. It's going to get a little loud, but here we go. Raise this up to the top. Now I'm going to go back down and we're going to kind of pulse and go up again. And one more time. That's it, guys. Mayonnaise. Did you ever think it could be so simple? We're gonna give it a quick stir to get everything incorporated, but look at that, guys. It's mayonnaise and it tastes delicious. When you do yours, just give it a quick taste now. If you need to add a little salt or a little extra lemon juice, this is the time to do it. So there you have it, guys. Mayonnaise, straight from the farm. Fresh, delicious, thick, rich, just like you like it. Make some today. We'll see you guys next time at Row & Co Farms.